Jai Bharat, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today's assembly is being conducted by grade 5 on the special occasion of National Doctors' Day. This day is annually celebrated on 1st July. The theme of this year is to lessen the mortality of COVID-19. This encompasses our spreading awareness about asymptomatic hypoxia and early aggressive therapy. I would like to call Narmin to deliver the pledge.
Jai Bharat, let's take a pledge. I pledge to be fit and healthy person. I pledge to keep my family and nature healthy. I pledge to respect all doctors, nurses, for frontline workers and COVID warriors. I pledge to protect our doctor and health workers. I pledge to make my nature COVID free. Thank you.
Thank you, Narmin. Now it's time to learn a new word. For that, I would like to call Iman.
Jai Bharat, the word of the day is quarantine, meaning a strict isolation imposed to prevent the spread of the disease. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Iman. Now let us hear a beautiful thought on Doctor's Day by Niranka.
Jai Bharat, today's thought of the day is medicines cure diseases, but only doctors can cure patients. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Niranka. Now I would like to call Nishta to deliver a short speech on National Doctors' Day.
Warm morning to our honorable principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I am going to deliver a short speech on National Doctors' Day. National Doctors' Day is celebrated on 1st July. Every year, all across India to honor one of the great physicians and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on 1st July 1882 and passed away on the same date in the year 1962. He was also honored with the India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. This day is a great observance in India which helps in fulfilling the actual needs of doctors and the physicians in the lives of everyone, as well as the significant roles and responsibilities. Dear friends, it is really sad that we can't see God, but on the earth, doctors are like a God who cures us and gives us life to live in a better way. This day gives us an opportunity to thank physicians, doctors, that they do for the society of a whole. A big salute to all your heroes who are working tirelessly around the clock in this pandemic COVID-19. Dear doctors, thank you so much for all your hard work and support during this difficult time. You are truly a man of honor. Happy National Doctors Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishta, for such a beautiful speech. Now let us move with an interesting session of our assembly, that is quiz session. For that, I would like to call Smith.
Jai Bharat, this is quiz time and my first question is National Doctors Day is celebrated all across the India to honor the legendary. The answer is Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. My second question is Doctors Day in India was established by the Government of India in the year. The answer is 1991. My third question is the theme for the 2019 National Doctors Day of India was. The answer is zero tolerance to violence against doctors and clinical establishments. My fourth question is the theme for National Doctors Day is decided and announced by? The answer is Indian Medical Association. My fifth question is, the first doctor or physician of India is? The answer is Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Smith, for such a well-studied quiz. Now, let us hear about Corona warriors in pandemic. For that, I would like to call our respected class teacher Samidha.
Jai Bharat. We all know that doctors, paramedics, sanitation workers, policemen, and the others engaged in different duties in the fight against COVID-19 are called Corona warriors. India celebrates National Doctors' Day on July 1 every year in honor of the legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. On this day, we acknowledge the benevolent services offered by the doctors and to show our sincere gratitude to all those who have selflessly helped us in the time of need and working diligently for the well-being of mankind. If we had not recognizing the values of doctors before, then it's a time to recognize their selfless service amid the COVID-19 pandemic. While we are staying safe at home, doctors are working relentlessly, risking their lives and saving millions from the deadly coronavirus. These days, we are witnessing unfortunate attack on the doctors or paramedical staff by the patients' attendants in the hospitals, by the neighbors and the others unruly individuals accusing medical professionals of spreading deadly coronavirus to others. But in reality, doctors are working round the clock, compromising on their sleep, health, and they are undoubtedly corona warriors, sending many patients back home safely. That being said, we had now like to highlight the heroic effort of some courageous and inspiring doctors from across the globe who lost their lives while saving the lives of corona patients. Thank you.
We are very fortunate to have amongst us Dr. Harshal Haribade. He is an MBBS and three pediatrics and endocrinology. He has masters from National Academy of Medical Science Fellow, and he has masters from Royal College of Pediatrics and Childhood, and a couple more degrees.
Hello, students of MDN Future School, Goa. Myself, Dr. Harshal Kharewale, a practicing pediatrician at Bhavnagar, Gujarat. It gives me an immense pleasure to give a guest lecture. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, we will be sharing some good food, cleanliness habits and food habits. Starting with, firstly, morning habits. Make a rule to wake up early in the morning at around 6:30 to 7 a.m. and after waking up, brush your teeth and meditate for around 5 minutes, and if possible, make a habit to perform pranayama for 5 minutes. This will not only increase your concentration and will also reduce mental stress. Bathing etiquettes. Always take a bath in shower, a bucket full of water for around 10 minutes and clean your body thoroughly. Apply medicated shampoo in hair once a week, which will remove all the dandruff and lice. After having bath, wear clean and iron clothes daily. Diet and food habits. Have a healthy, great breakfast in the morning. This will not only provide you energy, but will also improve your immunity. Have a balanced diet once a day, comprising of proteins 20-25%, carbohydrates 30 to 35%, and fats around 10 to 15%. You should also try to follow traffic signal approach, in which you should absolutely not consume red foodstuffs, mainly meat, sauce and jam. No to yellow foodstuffs also, like cheese and egg yolk. And you should consume plentiful of green leafy vegetables, which will provide you all the essential vitamins and nutrients. Cleanliness habits. Brush your teeth in circular motion in both upper and lower jaw teeth. Also change brush every 3 monthly. Make a habit to buy 2 times a day. Wear clean and dry, well-ironed clothes daily. Also make a habit to wash hands and feet, also face, after going to potty and urinals. Regularly trim your nails and also have a haircut every monthly. Nextly, sleep. Early to sleep is early to rise, and also make a habit to sleep by 10 p.m. and wake up by 6 to 6:30 a.m. Also, in this COVID situation, pandemic, we'll have to observe some COVID appropriate habits. Likewise, keep distancing from other peers of 4 to 5 feet. Wash hands regularly. Use a hand sanitizer frequently. Also, use mask preferably, which is a triple layer mask or N95 mask. And if you want to reuse the mask, wash it regularly. Most important thing is the screen time. Watch television for around 1 hour, and mobile scrolling should not be more than 30 minutes. Also make a habit to quit watching TV or mobile 2 hours before going to bed. On this occasion, I thank Sandeep Takkare sir, Devendra Jangaogar sir and Ajit Telange sir for inviting me and giving this wonderful opportunity to guide you. Also, if anyone has any queries related to health or any other issues, please do not hesitate to call me or message me on this number 9324746377.
Thank you, sir. We are very fortunate to have amongst us Dr. Harshal Khariwale.